Hi everybody, I wanted to talk to you for just a minute about your common med errors common med errors in the pharmacy. I wanted to kind of go over what all you guys need to do so that you're very clear. So what you're going to do, your overview and purpose, is you're going to research the 10 most common errors found in the pharmacy. You will formulate your own individual plan on how to prevent each of those 10 errors in your daily practice. You need to create a research paper covering that material. You need to utilize APA format for the paper along with your 5 sources. You must have a minimum of 5 sources with a works cited page. At least 4 of your 5 sources must be from scholarly articles. Upon completion of your project, you should have a better understanding of common med errors in your future work environment, and you should have a solid plan how to prevent those errors from occurring in your practice. Also, you should have improved research techniques, use of APA format, and utilizing cross-curricular skills and from other core subjects. As you can see, your TEKs are there for this project, and I kind of went over the objectives. Now, materials you guys are going to need. Besides internet access and a Chromebook or laptop, I've given you a website to go to that will show you give you directions on how to use APA format. It is not MLA style. It is not what you're used to using in English class. APA format is what is commonly used in the field of science. So in the medical field alone, in any kind of medical practice or any kind of medical research or any kind of medical paper you have to do in any part of healthcare, you use APA format. I've even given you some common places to go look for scholarly articles. The Journal of Pharmacy, the New England Journal of Medicine, National Library of Medicine, National Center for Biotechnical Information, and the National Institute of Health. They all have very good, really good journal articles, scholarly articles on common errors in the pharmacy. So be sure that you utilize the information you've been given. You have a grading rubric, and I'm going to pull that up and look at that. And remember that this will be counted as 2 test grades. And I apologize, I'm fixing that right now, but it will count as 2 test grades. So be sure that you have it in on time and that you complete all of the pieces. Now let me pull up the rubric for you because I want you to be really clear in understanding the rubric. If you do not understand the assignment or the rubric, please notify me so I can give you some clarification. 2 test grades is a lot of information. Let me find the rubric. Actually, it's in. Let me go to your classroom and I can find your rubric real quick. I apologize. I should have already had that pulled up. So let's go to your rubric. Now this rubric I feel like it's very clear. It talks about how many points, about what is excellent, which would get you the total of points, all the way down which will get you a minimum of 1 point. So your introduction, is it a strong introduction with key questions about and terms? Does it clearly define the subtopics that you are going to review and specify the thesis statement? Focus and sequence. Are all materials clearly related to subtopics, main topic? Is there good organization and integration of material within the subtopics and strong transition links from one paragraph or one subject to the next? Strong peer review and research-based supported thesis. Now this goes back to your scholarly articles as well. Strong review of key conclusions, strong integration of the thesis statement, and this is related to your conclusion, insight and discussion in the impact of the research and the material on the topic. The paper is free of grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. No errors in APA style, scholarly style, and writing is flowing and easy to follow. All reference citations are correctly written and presented. There is also an APA checklist for you to look at, and also your in-class proctor to look at related to grading. So be sure that you that as you work through, you're utilizing your rubric and you're utilizing the outline to tell you, or the assignment to tell you how to complete your research paper. I did not give you a page content because I expect you to have the 10 most common errors and some information with each error on how you would prevent that in your daily practice. All right, you guys have a great day. Thank you.